how to enable others to duet with my videos on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable others to duet with my videos on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, privacy. After you click on it, just scroll down until you find this one here, enable others to do it in my videos. You will find it like that. Now all you need to do is just click on it to turn it on and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.